Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size option, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. Press the stroke button, enable button down. Copy the writing, select the copy option. Change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Save the letter, select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Select the shape button, adjust the shape. Change the color, select the color option, and then adjust the shape. Save the shape, select the save button. Adjust the save confirmation. Save the letter, select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. And then select the 3D shape. Enable button down. Select the extrusion. Copy the letter, select the copy option. Change the color, select the color option. Change the background, select the color option. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.